to slightly more red. Back to green. But honestly, we really didn't get any follow through today. Like, look at today's chart. Like, low key, I mean, there was some volatility, but as far as trend goes, just choppy. Back and forth. Yeah, it wasn't my, I mean, I ended green, but not my best day for sure. Do you push around? How's everyone's morning? Got absolutely wrecked. Well, that's not good. Even if you lose, you shouldn't get wrecked. You should not get wrecked. Even if you lose, guys. That is not DOD. You live in Denver like me. Nice. What's up, D-Town? I am in Denver area. You made 450. Very nice. Very nice. You know, I don't think there's anything as being too conservative with PA accounts. You know, the best thing you can do for yourself is to choose DOD with PAs. That's what prop firms want you to think. They want you to think that you should gamble and go all in on your performance accounts, on your funded accounts. Evals, little different story. But funded accounts, performance accounts, those you really have to focus on staying very disciplined on. If you don't stay disciplined, you'll see what happens afterwards. You'll see what happens when you don't stay disciplined. You're going to get another email in your inbox. That's what happens. Books and Vogue. It's control. So where you wanna go? You know, I typically don't take 4 trades, but they were good trades today. And basically the one of them was a scratch, a break even. One was a winner, one was a loser, and then the last one was nice. So I'm basically break even. Basically break even for the month of December so far. Oh, something just like this. Custom. What strategy do I use? I use VPA mixed with DOD. DOD is the main facet of my strategy. You can definitely get banned if you make too much money. For sure. Up 20K, no. I made just over 1,300. Basically scratched what I lost yesterday. So I'm up I'm up like $85 for the month of December. Not super satisfied with how I traded yesterday and today, but we're staying alive. That's what matters. Timeless. For a full stack developer. Where did I find Gene? I found Gene through Team Bowl. He was the first member I ever actually met. He was one of the first. He was the first Team Bowl member I ever went. And okay, and met in person. We met for lunch, which I thought was kind of cool. And he just, yeah, we're listening to Nickelback for Power Hour. That's what's happening. Nickelback is the official band of Team Bowl today. You guys like to call me Unk, so I'll show you Unk. How about that? You guys like calling me Unk. Just one left, cause you know. Miss you. Am I going to trade? I'm looking for trades, but look at the market. There is a very high chance I don't trade. I'm just letting you know right now. I'm mostly on here to hang out and answer any questions you guys may have. You know what's crazy is Tradeify's new plans that are coming out tomorrow. Like, I never, ever say, oh, this plan's crazy. No, this plan is crazy. These plans are crazy. I'm telling you guys right now, if you're trading on funded accounts or if you're looking to get funded, there's Tradeify's on top after tomorrow. That's all I'm telling you guys. That's it. You're not getting any more. I legally cannot tell you anymore. Sorry, I can't give you any hints. I wish I could. Can't do it. Tell you guys right now. On Tradeify's new plans tomorrow, code Jdun will get you the best discount. And I will do my best to help you guys make some money. Let's just say that. That's what I'll tell you. Oh yeah, Brett went crazy with what he's dropping tomorrow. It's about to be a movie. Code Jdun, baby, for payout protection and best discount always. I always appreciate your support. Is it going to be better than Top Step? What do you think? What did Tesla end up doing today? Anything? Nothing. Died. Is it going to be different than Take Profit Trader? Something. Something. I think you're going to be really happy. That's all I'm going to say. You choose DOD. I think you can make a lot of money with these new plans. Yep. I can't tell you. I want to tell you. I love you guys, but I can't tell you. It is part of my affiliate and partner agreement. I legally cannot say anything, but I can give you hints. Mazzy? That sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? I think daily withdrawals, any firm that does that and gives you that structure would be on top for sure, if I had to give my personal opinion. That's what I would say. I think that'd be pretty cool if a firm did that. Nope. The friends of clouds are gone. Hey, if you're in Colorado and you want to come trade live with me on Friday, DM me on Discord. First come, first serve. We haven't done it for like 2 weeks. If you're trying to come trade with your boy in person. In the shadow of the good old Lincoln Park. There's lots of fake me's everywhere. Please do not get scammed, everybody. I will never DM you first, ever. I love you and I wish you the best. I won't DM you. We are not moving at all. Not really in individuals either. I'm looking at some individual stocks, like Tesla's at 430, but too much indecision. I think you're going to like what you see a lot with Tradeify's new plans tomorrow. Great time to enter and try Tradeify out. I'll tell you that much. Great place to park your money. What software do you trade with? It depends what I'm trading. I think Tradeavate's great for any futures trading, for trading with prop firms, a live account. The margins are good. I think I like AMP. You need motivation. No, you need discipline, bro. Motivation's bullshit. Yeah, I would personally wait to get some Tradeify accounts tomorrow. Remember, code Jdun will get you 30% off all December. No. I'm going to remind you of DOD every day. I'll never stop. You don't want to hear DOD? You don't want me to tell you to be disciplined? You don't want me to help you get payouts? And don't come to the lives. Don't come to Team Bull. Oh, you'll know more about the Tradeify accounts tomorrow. Telling you, you don't want to miss this, though. I had a Lamborghini Urus. I don't anymore. I don't anymore. I did. Now I don't. Tradeify has new plans launching that are the best in the industry, and I don't say that lightly. Like it's insane. So sick. To phone, whatever. Y'all are gonna be happy. I need help. I'm 50 and still haven't gotten it. Well, you're in a good spot. Join Team Bull. Stay with us in Team Bull. Here we are now. Power hours right now, baby. Power hours right meow. Right now, baby. What did I think of your son? What is that supposed to mean? Did I meet your son? I meet a lot of people, so there's a little movement. We're hanging right above the 15-minute high. Did have an aggressive breakout candle here, so that's a good sign. Can I apply as an assistant? I already have 2 assistants. I have a virtual and an in-person assistant. Green is the 15-minute high, not an entry. For the free streams, yes. The free streams, the Zoom is only for those. Totally. For the year, I'm just about at 100K, Ernesto, but that doesn't include spend either. I did really good though. I didn't blow a lot of accounts. I did really good. I've always treated my fundeds with a lot of discipline. So, whenever I talk about firms and getting payouts, like the only reason I even started trading prop firms in the first place is to prove I could get payouts. Like if I was going to give you guys code Jdun and guide you guys to getting payouts, I wanted to prove that I could get them. So I did. I've gotten a lot of them too. I want to get, my goal for 2026 is to get some very large payouts by following DOD. I mean, I think probably like 5% of people ever get a payout. It's not much. Why wouldn't I be live again? What's wrong with going live? What's wrong going live? I do them separate, Cass. It's very low. Prop firms make a ton of money, guys. Like, they make a lot of money. If they have their margins right and like their systems right, they make a lot of money. I owned one. I know that. Like, I was in the internals one. I owned FFF. And we were raking it in. So that's why when I sit here and I trade with you guys, I'm telling you, hey, choose DOD. Be smart. Don't full port. Like, these prop firms make a lot of money because of people that get greedy or get fearful and don't treat it. They treat it like gambling. The only time I'm okay with you, quote unquote, full porting or putting on more risk is on an eval if you have a systematic edge, not just getting angry and full porting because you're annoyed. Big difference. Very large difference. You can't just go start your own prop firm. It don't work like that. Tradeify doesn't hand out licenses. What is DOD? Only the greatest trading system of all time. Discipline over dopamine. Tomorrow, the greatest plan in the prop firm industry comes to life with Tradeify. If you guys have been looking to get funded and have the ultimate edge in your trading with a prop firm, Tradeify is your choice tomorrow. I sold FFF for a few reasons. I'm sure you can put 2 and 2 together and figure out why. Ultimately, though, a big one is I just didn't like owning it. I'd rather help you guys milk the prop firms. Team Bull is where my passion is. I like trading. I like trading live, and I like doing trading education. I also got a very healthy buyout from FFF, so I was grateful for that, and I get to come and do what I love every day and help you guys learn, help you guys get payouts, teach you guys DOD, and, you know, do what I love. I did not enter short. I mean, not really. You could say conflict of interest, but the thing is, like, what is Top Step TV? You know? What is literally every one of these guys that has affiliate codes? Like, you guys got to realize when you use someone's code, including code Jdun, like, I benefit financially from it. The difference is that I take a lot of pride in is I'm not sitting here telling you to trade. Not sitting here telling you to take 100 trades. I appreciate when you guys support me. It means a lot, and I always do my best to reciprocate that to you. But a lot of these influencers that stream will tell you, guys, take this, that, trade. Come on, full port here, full port, you're funded. So there's no consistency. Like, they want you to blow more so you spend more. Not once have I ever and would ever say that. Never. I appreciate you, Carrie. Thank you. That means a lot. All I'm saying is that Top Step has a deal that's going to give you more of an edge than any other funded account right now in the industry. That much I can tell you. Tradeify tomorrow. No, not Top Step. I don't know why I said Top Step. Not Top. Fuck Top Step. I don't know why I said that. I was reading something online. Not Top Step. Top Step can go F off. Tradeify. Top Step's fine. They're an OG, but just, yeah. I did not mean to say that. I meant Tradeify. My apologies. First I said it was the 12th earlier. Now I'm saying the wrong prop firms. Yeah, Tradeify is bringing something special to the prop firm industry tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. How many of y'all watched my new YouTube video yesterday? Saw a lot of positive feedback on it. And if you haven't watched it yet, I'll put it in the chat. I highly recommend you take 17 minutes and watch it tonight. That's it. 17 minutes long. If you can't dedicate 17 minutes to your trading education, I don't know how I can help you. You clearly don't want it bad enough if you can't commit. On my YouTube, Jdun Trades. Good vid. Thank you. One of the cleanest vids you put out in the 4 years I've watched yours. Thank you, DB. Not asking for hours of your time. I'm asking for 17 minutes, not even 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes. Yep, you can, Ernesto. Top Step's fine. They're an OG. And they've been around forever. It's not my favorite. Not even my close to favorite. I'm not even saying that just because of affiliates either. They're fine. I would never like say they suck. I don't like the Top Step X issue and the Project X issue. Hey, you didn't do well today, but you're going to do better tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. I am still in Colorado. Thoughts on Funded Next? Funded Next is great. You can use code Jdun for 30, or I think still 30% off. It might be back to 15. Yeah, they're solid. Passed your 100K today. Nice. It's dope. You think prop is good for a beginner, or should I start with my own capital and work my way up? Either. It depends on your situation. I think prop is good if you want to trade futures with less risk, but still have skin in the game. We're about to get MOC in like 20 seconds. Market on close orders. So a bunch of orders are going to hit the book. We're going to see a big move up or down. Four, three, two, one. Man, I appreciate y'all being here rocking with me. Is everyone going to the gym tonight? Or did y'all go to the gym this morning? I need each of y'all to commit that you're going to do some sort of exercise today. Good place to start with discipline. If you find yourself consistently undisciplined in your trading, good place to start building that is in the gym. I don't go off percentages. I don't try to double. I certainly don't try to double my money every day. If I did, I'd be a billionaire. I just manage my risk. I have solid risk reward. I trade futures, and I've been dabbling a little more into options again. You know what I'm making for lunch? I'm making some chicken meat with liver and chicken skin. I think some chicken gizzards, maybe some kidney or something. It's a whole mix. It's really good too. You wouldn't even know. Oh, that price action. I ended green today, but that annoyed me. It wasn't a lot this morning. It was funny the other day, or a few weeks back. I think I already told this story in Team Bowl, but I'll tell it again. My mom and a little brother and grandma were visiting. And I knew if I told them I was going to make them my beef heart, my beef liver, and my ground beef meat, that they'd be all weirded out. So I told them, I was like, yeah, I'm going to make us all a Jdun bowl. I'm going to make us some ground beef and avocado. And they're like, oh, yeah, great. And I didn't tell them I was feeding them heart and liver. And so I made it, and they ate it, and I didn't say anything. And I was like, what do you guys think? They're like, oh, this is so good. You made this ground beef great. I was like, well, you just ate beef heart, liver, and ground beef, and you loved it. So I don't want to hear another word out of any of y'all. Is that foul or is that game? If someone fed you heart without you knowing, how would you feel about it? They loved it. And they loved it. And so would you. If I cooked you a bowl, you wouldn't even know. You would not have a clue. You wouldn't have a clue. So tomorrow, guys, if you didn't trade well today, I want you to come in with a plan tomorrow that you're going to stick to your system. You're not going to size up. You're not going to try to make back your losses. You're going to choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. That's what you're going to do. Can y'all commit to that for me? Can y'all commit to tomorrow's a new day and following your plan? I need all y'all to commit. That's the only way you make progress in your trading is by having more systematic processes and doing better each and every day. Price tells you a story. You just have to learn how to execute and how to keep emotion out of the picture. That's what matters. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Dun. DOD took one trade today, made 496, called it a day. Not much, but made green. That's good. As long as you followed your system. I will not take your money to invest. Nope, I don't take anyone's money. I will not trade for you, respectfully. I will not trade for you. I did make money today, but it wasn't pretty. Not super proud of it. But I did end up green. I'm break even for the month. Well, I'm like barely green, but hoping that tomorrow I can get my groove back. I'm just going to keep following my system and doing my best. That's all you can do. And not blowing up. What is power hour? It's the last hour of the day. Trading day. Tomorrow, if you've been looking for the greatest in the best probability funded account to get, Tradeify is bringing something to the industry that is literally insane. So be ready for that announcement tomorrow. Code Jdun will get you the best discount, payout protection, and of course, I will do my best to help you guys make money on those new accounts, get funded, and get paid out consistently. You're at day 0. That's okay. You're at day 0. Dun, 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 dun. 5-minute time frame primarily. I primarily use the 5-minute for the most part. If you are new here, I know YouTube, our Power Hour stream doesn't have as many people, but the morning stream, we typically hold around 1,000. TikTok, I know it shows new people every stream. So if you are new here, first off, welcome in. My name is Jdun. My real name is Jacob. I trade live every day. I've been trading for 9 years, and I love helping you guys learn, level up, and make money trading. All I ask is you tap in, hit that follow button in the top left corner if you have any interest in learning how to trade, and be on time tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll be live at 9. Market opens at 9:30. The best place to start learning is to get experience every day in real time. So know that a lot of you, it might be your first or your second stream with me. I appreciate you following, and I appreciate y'all rocking with me on this stream every day. Every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. It's good, Refocus. It's great. Started doing these free live streams to increase our exposure, help out the people. I genuinely enjoy doing this, and it's been really good for Team Bull as a whole. I like live streaming. I do take trades live every day. Win, lose, or draw, I do it live, which is not an easy thing to do. So I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button, of course. Best community out there. Thank you, bro. And I appreciate you guys rocking with me. If you have any questions, if you'd like to join Team Bull and you can't figure it out, if you'd like to be in my private community, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's where I answer all DMs, is JDUN Trades on IG. So if you go to your Instagram after this live ends in 10 seconds, like 20 seconds, and search up JDUN Trades, you'll see my IG. You can follow me there, and you can DM me whenever. I do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. So trade smart, trade safe. I will see you guys all. Trade smart, trade safe. I will see you guys all bright and early in the morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Remember to choose DOD and do something positive for yourself tonight. Do something positive for yourself tonight. Hit the gym, read a book. Do something that tomorrow you will thank you for. God bless. Have a great night. See you, everybody. Bye, everybody. Peace.